Hello. Welcome to the next part of our HMS Hotel Program training, where we will be covering the online reservation module, which allows you to receive bookings for free with no commission fees. First of all, to talk about our online reservation module, it is a reservation platform for your customers through a link that you can publish on your website or social media accounts. With this platform, all our users can use it completely free of charge, freeing you from the high commission fees you normally pay to your channels, thanks to HMS. Let's take a look at how we can create this online reservation module on HMS together. First, we select our online booking channel from the Channels tab under Channel-Channels. This step is exactly the same as our channel connection steps. We proceed by clicking the Connect button on the existing page. On our next page, we enter our hotel code and website address, then proceed by clicking the Next Action button. When we reach the account settings area, we can think of this page as the extranet panel of our online reservation module. For example, when open for sale, we can select the currency of our rooms from this section. Then, we can select an agency to collect all online reservation accommodation fees under an agency account. From the Color tab, we can display reservations from our online channel with a different color scale on a monthly basis. With the Room Availability option, we can automatically or manually send our room availabilities. For example, if we deactivate this tab, our availabilities will not be automatically sent to our channel. With the Place the Reservation to Available Room by Automatically option, you can activate or deactivate the automatic placement of reservations from the related channel into rooms. For instance, if you want to manually place a reservation from your online channel into a room, you can deactivate this option. The Unapproved Availability option allows the random allocation of rooms within your room types when active and notifies you in case of any issues. With this feature, you can send availability directly to channels without assigning specific rooms to room types. If you set this feature to passive, your availabilities will not be automatically transmitted to the channels. For example, suppose you operate a facility with manual availability and have sent an availability of 5 for your standard room to the channel. Even if reservations are made for your standard room after this process, your room will still appear as having 5 available on the channel. The Status option allows you to activate or deactivate your channel. When you deactivate this option, no information will be sent to this channel from our side. However, if a close-to-sell transmission has not been made, your channel might remain active. Before performing this action, make sure to execute the Close-to-Sell transmission from the Periodic Prices tab. With the Theme tab, you can update the appearance of your online reservation module with different themes. With the Mail List option, you can add your email address to this area or view previously saved email addresses and make edits. Reservation confirmations will automatically be sent to these email addresses. Use Translation. This feature is used for bookings from different countries. It translates the names of guests in the reservation from different countries to a language you want with Google API. Next, on the room type mapping screen, we come to the area where we can perform the mapping of our rooms and room types. These areas automatically appear according to your rooms and room types in the system. The mapping process is also automatically carried out in the online reservation module. Of course, you may not want to open all your rooms and room types for sale here. If you want to perform such an action, you can edit your rooms and room types with the Advanced Settings option. When we click on this option, some choices appear on our screen. With the Sell Maximum Room option, you can restrict your availability count without manually sending availability. For example, if you normally have 6 suites but only want to open 3 for sale on the channel, you can enter 3 here. Or, by selecting the Decrease from Room Count option just below, we can reduce the number of rooms. For instance, if you want to sell only 5 out of your 6 existing rooms, you can select this option and enter 1. When we reach the area with our room types, there is a section similar to the Edit Price in the Periodic Prices tab where we can adjust our prices. When we make a setting here and enter the price from the Periodic Prices tab, our price adjustment settings will be added here. For example, suppose we want our Ultra All-Inclusive room price to increase by 10% when sent to our channel. We add this here, and after saving, when we enter a price of €1,000 for our Suites Ultra All-Inclusive room type in the Periodic Prices, The price sent to our online channel will be €1,100. Of course, we can also provide a discount or enter a net price to perform the transmission. On the right side, we can see the transaction button. If this button is selected, it means it is connected to our channel. If we want to remove it from the transaction, we can deselect this button. This way, we can remove our channel integration for this room type. After completing these steps, we can proceed to our next tab with the Next Transactions button. On this page, there is a start and end date, which actually corresponds to the seasonal price range we previously determined with periodic prices for our hotel. The default date range here represents the period of our current prices. If we want to resend our current prices or availabilities to our channel automatically, or send our existing price and availability information to a channel we are connecting for the first time, we can use this area. By activating the price and availability buttons here and proceeding, our transmissions will be processed in the background. With this process, we have created our online reservation module. We can now add the online reservation link from our page to our website or social media accounts. When we click this link, we directly access our online reservation module. On our module page, we currently see fields where we can select the hotel name and check-in/check-out dates. Your customers can make reservations for available rooms by selecting dates here and specifying the number of people and children. As we scroll down, we can view our rooms and room types along with the prices we have set. In the section for room photos, we cannot view a photo yet because we have not uploaded any room photos. We can perform this and other features like room characteristics through the Facilities section, as mentioned in the detailed facility videos we discussed earlier. To make a reservation, our guests can select the number of rooms next to the price plan and continue. For example, let's make a reservation for our suite rooms price plan only. Let's proceed by clicking the Go On button. Then we come to our form where personal information will be filled out. Let's continue by filling in our information in these form fields. When we click the Last Information button, our payment method information appears. From this area, guests can complete their reservation by making a payment via bank transfer or online reservation module. When our guests complete these processes, the reservation will automatically and instantly reflect in your HMS hotel system.